This video shows you how to run a competition from the uHIT dashboard. We start by logging in with a manager or organization account. From the team management page, we use the side menu to select competitions. For this demonstration, we're going to show how to make the competition already shown here. Although in practice, the competition details will not be shown until after you make them. We start by clicking on Add Competition. We then proceed to create the competition details, adding its name and picking a start date in the future when it will begin. Here, we are picking January 16th at 1900 hours or 7 p.m. and we are choosing the end date to be 1 week later at 1900 hours on the 23rd. We then review the details and click Save to create the competition. Our newly made competition is here, and one earlier competition back in October is shown below it. You can add as many competitions as you like on the uHIT dashboard. We fast forward in time after the competition is finished. When your players use uHIT during this time, their stats are automatically searchable to find the winner. You can easily rank winners during the dates of the competition by going to Detailed Results, and we will illustrate this from Results in Pitch Recognition here. We could enter the dates of the competition in these two boxes and use the Update button, or we can more simply use the Competition Filter drop-down menu and select the name of our competition before hitting Update. We verify the filter is right by looking at the dates of last session shown here, all of which are between the competition dates we made of January 16th to January 23rd at 7 p.m. Let's say you'd like to pick the winner by overall best score on uHIT. You can easily do that by going to XP or points per pitch. Clicking once and then again will show your best overall uHIT performer at the top of the list. You can do the same ranking for best accuracy, fastest reaction time for cued pitches, or for which player worked the hardest and completed the most pitches. We showed how to run a competition in pitch recognition here, but you can do competitions for any of the other skills done in uHIT, for instance, zone recognition or others. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the other videos that will help you coach your hitters with uHIT.